Welcome to our channel English with Nasser. Guys, today I am going to call on the stage the most talented, brilliant and dedicated, the curious student of Light English Spoken Classes, Mr. Abu Basr. So please give a huge hand play for him. Mr. Abu Basr.
Hi guys, and my respected teacher, thank you for giving me the golden opportunity to say something in front of all of you. This is Abul Basar speaking here from Baghdad, class 11 in Elite Literature. I am going to say about internet. The internet has a big hand in people's success today. The internet is a global network that connects computers all over the world. This has made the realization of daily tasks extremely easy, which was a long, difficult and time-consuming. We cannot even imagine our own life without it, which is called the internet. Just as everything on this earth has advantage and disadvantage, similarly, the internet also has big and good and bad effect on our lives. The online communication has become very simple and easy due to the internet. In olden times, the medium of communication was the letter, which was a long and difficult because for this one who had to travel a long distance. But now, in order to open some social networking site, we just need to connect to the internet as well as sending message through Gmail, Yahoo, etc. Account in second. Large-scale paper and paperwork can be avoided by computerizing every data in metros, railways, business industries, shops, schools, college, education institute, NGOs, universities, office, government and non-government. Through it, news can be known about the whole world from time to time. It is very efficient and effective in gathering a lots of information. No matter which subject it refers to, it will be available in a few seconds. Internet is very useful in education, travel and business. It has made easy access to the public library, textbook and elite subject. That's all.
So dears, hope you enjoyed this class. If you like this video, so please leave a comment and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.